I already have a monitor connected to the Mac Mini M4. In today's video, I will show you how to connect 3 monitors to a Mac Mini M4. First, you will need 2 USB-C adapters. Now connect the 2 HDMI cables from the 2 side monitors to the 2 USB-C adapters. Now connect the 2 USB-C adapters one by one to the Mac Mini M4. The second monitor is connected to the Mac Mini M4. Now connect the third monitor to the Mac Mini M4. The 3 monitors are now successfully connected to the Mac Mini M4. The third monitor is acting as the main monitor for the Mac Mini M4. Go to Settings to arrange monitors. Click on the display. Click your middle monitor device. Select the main display and the middle monitor will act as the main monitor. Now you can set the second and third monitors to mirror and extend mode if you want. If you use your second and third monitors in extend mode, your monitors will be arranged. Now click on Arrange. Now drag the monitors to match your original setup, such as placing the left monitor on the left, the middle monitor in the middle, and the right monitor on the right. This allows your mouse to move normally between 3 monitors. After arranging the monitors, click Done. Now you can use your 3 monitors for different tasks. In this setup, you can use each of your monitors for different tasks.